Thank you, and I want to congratulate Suman and your husband. You may not realize this, but because of COVID, pretty much everybody has diversified and done other things other than what was their core business. And I think this is great that you've actually now ventured out into goat and sheep farming, etc. And government is always happy to help you. MSMEs also, for us, form the backbone of our economy. And for 2 years, everybody's been lying dormant and not being able to do much. But it's you ought to take my hat off to you. You've been strong enough to hold off, and now you're venturing into another area which will sustain your livelihoods. But it's important, and we're happy to assist. And we want to wish you well in your livestock farming business. And I see you've diversified into a whole lot of other things, kava production, etc., which is really good. This is how most of our MSMEs manage to survive. Huh? They just diversified and went into other things. Government is doing the same, making sure that we encourage more diversification in the farming area to do what people can to actually better their lives. We want to have a better economic future for everybody, and I think every little bit helps, and we're happy to hand this over to you today, and I want to wish you well with your business, and God bless you.
My name is Arunesh Ashischan, and I'm 44 years old, and we are staying in Waiqele, Navakasingani airport area. We started off with a kava export business, and we managed to purchase this property, and then we decided to also buy a farm for us, a sugarcane farm, because I'm born and bred in Bua, where I used to do a lot of farming of goat and rice farming, but we never had a sugarcane farm. But then we got an opportunity to get a good farm here, just about 5 kilometers away from here, and we purchased it about 5 years ago. So while doing the sugarcane farm, we noticed that most of our land was kind of a barren, hilly land. And then I decided to, I had a thought in my mind that sometime later I'll try and start for sheep farming and goat farming, because that's what we used to do in my motherland in Bua, where I was born. So from that time we started planting this Coronivia grass in all those things. I used my laborers from my cane farm to, during the rainy season, we used to plant all the Coronivia grass over there. Now all that area is fully covered with that grass. So then we decided to start this sheep and goat farming. So we started about 2 years ago, and now we have a head of about 50 of animals. We went to NDP and we asked the assistance because that time we started finding difficulty because of this COVID, things were not working out. So then when we met this NDP people, then they came and they advised us that we can, if you're really interested, then they can assist us with this fencing material. We are really blessed, and it's an honor to receive these materials and everything from, and it's an honor to have the minister here today. It's a very big thing for us, and it's just unbelievable things happening, and we are grateful to this government, current day government. It's assisting in all the ways. Any way you want, any assistance, they just give us. We have also received, other things in, like back 5 years ago, we were assisted in our kava business, and now this farming equipment, fencing materials and other things. So we are really indeed blessed, and to have this government at the moment. They are assisting whatever ways people want. It's just you have to do some hard work. You have to prove that you can do it, and then the assistance will come. I really thank the government of the day and the minister himself. He's such an humble guy.